This is cookie mix and it's going in there.
He's, you know, responsible for some amazing games. You know,
Hello, welcome to another day, another episode of VlogMills. Let's shop my wardrobe. I have a 20th birthday party to go to and I want to wear a really cute outfit because my cousin's turning 20 and I thought it would be really fun to shop my wardrobe and try and get an outfit together, get a bit creative and see what we can do. This is the wardrobe. It's gotten very full. I have nowhere to start. I know that I don't want to be too Christmassy because as a winter baby, I don't like how winter bleeds in and Christmas bleeds into other aspects of your year. Especially around birthdays and things, so I think I want to stay away from wearing a Christmas jumper and wear something celebratory, birthday festive, not Christmas festive. Maybe this. It's a gold lightweight knit, but it's got these cool sides so you can make them shorter. Possibly. Let's put you up here. Could we go this route maybe? I think I want to wear the new jeans I bought, but I don't know where I put them. I found the jeans. These are the really big cuff ones from Abercrombie. I don't think I'll wear them like this. A bit high. It's not right, is it? Maybe these jeans would be better. Okay, so these are with the jeans. It's a bit boring though for a party, isn't it? I have this studded see-through top that those first ones on again. I like that, but I just want to try. Just gonna see, you know, just try things. I think if I had tight jeans, that would look better, but they're really baggy. So, not this. I think black. But then there's red to Christmas. Or do I go vintage dress route? Okay, so we've got this as an option. Baggy jeans, studded mesh top. Okay, so this is the dress. I'm so not sure. I can't decide now. What about controversy? Some jeans on underneath the dress. Interlude, brief, while I make brie and bacon toasties before we go out, because I'm not sure if we're getting fed savoury or just sweets, so I want to eat something first, and I've been craving a bacon and cranberry and brie toasty. Maybe just bacon and cranberry for Hey Hey, because it doesn't like brie, which is something else. Okay, this is an ancient H&M off the shoulder, because I think they did it like 2 years in a row and I bought it the first year and it's really old. Yeah, it's just really hot. It's burning. Ah, it's really hot. I always forget how quickly it gets so hot. Wow.
Yeah, it's just a shame. It doesn't taste great. It's one of my best looking cakes.
I think it tastes great. I actually think it tastes great. I'm not being like facetious or anything.
It's very plain. Oh, hey, YouTube. I've got clothes on.
No. I don't want to get demonetized, even though I don't get that yet.
Hold on. Lift your lower shoulder down. I haven't got medallions.
Yeah.
No fat on them.
I bloody hate dealing with like the stringy connector
Daddy
bit.
likes the fat. That's how I got this position.
Yeah. So you don't want it toasted at all?
Nope.
Oh. But that's it. Oh, we should have bought paninis.
Then I would have it toasty.
Oh, I love a panini.
What am I doing in here? You want brio?
Yes, please.
Have you got the butter out?
Butter? No. Oh, yeah, baby.
Do I look different?
What do you mean?
Oh!
You don't like it, darling?
I love cheese, but I'm a simple cheese boy.
Yeah, I know. You like cheddar.
And Leicester.
And Wensleydale.
And Wensleydale.
The hard cheeses.
Yeah, is that what it is?
Yeah.
No, actually, that's a lie. I like
That's a whipped cheese. That's a soft cheese.
I like cheese singles.
That's not cheese. I love brie. I like camembert. I like Stilton. Not totally keen on gorgonzola. Delicious. I'm so excited. Right, you want butter on yours, don't you? Hey, this looks so good. I'm so excited.
Stick.
Look at all this. Wow. I don't know what's the best chair to sit on.
Probably warm there.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Esme. Happy birthday to you.
One low.
No, I think we should eat the candles. I wonder if you could make edible candles.
Yeah, definitely.
Like bees, honey or something. I don't know.
How old are you now, Esme?
300 million years old.
How old are you now?
20.
24, yes, of course you are.
Especially because on the invite it was like Ez's 20th birthday.
Did you like the invite?
I did.
I did.
Did you? It was really
You
cute.
didn't invite?
Yeah. Can't remember if
Yeah,
supposed to be
because you showed it to me and I went, ah, and then I got one.
got me fork ready. Pointing first.
She's thick.
Who wants cake?
Yes, please.
Grandma, how much cake do you want?
Do you have plates at the ready, Grandma?
Eh?
Do you have a plate at the ready?
Yeah.
Cool.
How much cake do you want? That much? Yes. Oh, I was meant to make a wish.
So many fishy that goes black.
You still make a wish.
Very good.
Well, that looks sturdy.
Yeah. Yeah. Very good.
Stop a door from closing.
You got a word.
Uncle Mark, do you want a bit of cake?
Ball.
Pizza.
Boy, girl.
Sun.
Sun. Yeah. Hairy mole. Sun. Sun sphere. Lunar heat.
Person.
Heat wave. Edith Puffer, whatever her name is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is it?
In the disco.